During a tightly scheduled fall outage at a nuclear power plant, Barnhart was tasked with replacing aging Isophase bus fans critical to cooling the plant's power lines. Access to the work area was severely restricted, and the pathway to move the fans was near an electrical enclosure. 4 existing fan units needed to be removed, and 3 new units installed as quickly as possible to return the plant to full operation with minimal downtime. Traditional removal methods would have required extensive labor and heavy equipment that simply could not be used in the confined space and nearby high-voltage lines. Barnhart's multi-lift jacks were built to tackle challenges like this. With the ability to lift heavy loads for a controlled distance in tight spaces, their small footprint allows placement directly beneath or adjacent to their loads. Compact and lightweight, the jacks were small enough to be moved into the turbine building. Combined with Barnhart's light slide system, the multi-lift jacks allowed crews to lift the Isophase bus fans, translate them laterally, and then lower them safely onto the floor without additional lifting equipment. This approach minimized congestion, reduced manpower needs, and enabled precise handling of the heavy components in a highly restricted environment. The final Isophase bus fan was set ahead of schedule, and the entire scope completed in 4 shifts instead of the planned 6.5. The plant was brought back online early, safety performance remained perfect with 0 incidents, and the customer praised the speed and professionalism of the operation. The result was a flawless execution that exceeded the customer's expectations, along with winning an SC and RA Job of the Year award. Multi-lift jacks, MLJs for short, pack a powerful punch. They are lighter than many other lifting tools, making them easy to position on site with forklifts, pallet jacks, or skate systems. Multiple jacks can be configured in single or 2-post arrangements, and they can be pinned in place to support loads without requiring continuous hydraulic pressure. A requirement to keep in mind is that all multi-lift jacks must be used on a level surface. There are 3 models of multi-lift jack. The EP608 has a 48-inch stroke and a nominal capacity of 30 kips. It maintains a 30 kip capacity up to 5 feet 6 inches high from the base, with reduced capacities of 20 kips up to 8 feet 8 inches and 15 kips to 11 feet 2 inches extension. The EP696 shares the same dimensions and stroke as the EP608, but delivers 30 kips capacity throughout the entire stroke. This model features a square internal tube design and shares the same bolt face pattern as the EP608, allowing accessories to be used interchangeably. The EP646, a lighter capacity option, provides 10 kips capacity throughout its full 48-inch stroke. The jack offers full capacity up to 9 feet, 6 3/8 inches extension. It is ideal for tighter spaces or lighter loads where portability is a priority. Barnhart's multi-lift jacks are compact, versatile tools designed for precision lifting and load support in confined spaces where traditional equipment won't fit. Lightweight and easy to position, they are highly customizable with their wide range of attachments. Several accessories are available to enhance multi-lift jack versatility. This flexibility allows crews to safely lift and support heavy components with minimal disruption, making multi-lift jacks a reliable solution when space is limited and precision is critical.